This is the owner of 99 Nights in the Forest. But before creating one of the biggest Roblox games, he actually had another game which also went viral in Roblox. Now this Roblox game he created is called Break-In, which became one of the most famous Roblox story games ever. And it's a game where you have to survive Scary Larry and the Purge. Why does the enemies only attack the players in 99 Nights in the Forest? Because when we look at the game's cutscenes, it can be seen that the cultists are literally friends with some of the NPCs. Now this could only mean that either the players themselves are the true villains of the game, or that the supposedly friendly NPCs are actually evil just like the cultists. He was just chopping trees inside 99 Nights in the Forest, but then he saw a carrot running towards him. Now this carrot has an axe, and it obviously wasn't a normal carrot. Then, this carrot killed him. But then he was revived by the admins of the game, because apparently this was just a prank by the admins during the party.